Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that's a must-have for anyone looking to protect their shipments or get crafty with DIY projects. We're talking about the best cardboard sheets available on the market right now. These are the 3.5x4.5 corrugated cardboard sheets from ANSSDO. They come in a pack of 200, crafted from premium craft brown material. Whether you're shipping delicate items like t-shirts or creating custom crafts, these sheets promise to deliver both durability and versatility. Let's start with the build quality. These cardboard sheets are impressively sturdy yet lightweight, making them perfect for packing without adding unnecessary weight to your shipments. Unlike flimsy options, these pads ensure your items stay protected without bending or creasing. Each sheet measures 3.5 by 4.5 inches and boasts a 2 mm thickness, providing ample support for various uses. From acting as dividers in drawers to backing for art prints, these pads excel in versatility. What I really appreciate about these sheets is how they're packaged. Unlike others that often arrive damaged due to poor handling, ANSSDO ensures these sheets are neatly stacked and securely packed, arriving in pristine condition every time. For small businesses or DIY enthusiasts, this pack is a goldmine. You can easily create custom packaging solutions or enhance your crafting projects. The value here is unbeatable, especially considering you get 200 pieces in one pack. In conclusion, if you're looking for reliable, high-quality cardboard sheets that won't let you down, ANSSDO's 3.5x4.5 corrugated pads are your best bet. They combine durability, affordability, and practicality in a way that's hard to match. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Leave a comment below if you've used similar products or have any questions about this one. Until next time, stay creative and keep exploring new ways to use these fantastic cardboard sheets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting!